Today we will learn about chapter Matter. Matter, its meaning and composition. We will study about what is matter. There are so many objects around us like rocks, stones, flowers, table, chair, pen, pencil, books, salt, sugar, water, etc. All these objects have mass and occupy space. We say all these objects are made up of matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is not only the things we can touch but also the air that we breathe, water that we drink, and all the planets in the universe, everything around us, whether living or non living, natural or man made, is made up of matter. टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर मैटर की कितनी टाइप्स होते हैं? 2 टाइप्स होते हैं, लिविंग मैटर एंड नॉन लिविंग मैटर। लिविंग मैटर में क्या आता है? प्लांट्स भी लिविंग मैटर होते हैं और एनिमल्स भी लिविंग मैटर होते हैं। और नॉन लिविंग में क्या आता है? नेचुरल और मैन मेड। जो नेचुरल भगवान ने बनाई हैं और मैन मेड होती हैं जो इंसान ने बनाई हैं। ये आप एक्टिविटी खुद ही पढ़ लेना, मैं इस पे थोड़ी सी दिखा देती हूँ आपको। नेक्स्ट, कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ मैटर। मैटर हैज़ मास। मैटर पहली थिंग होती है, उसके पास मास होता है। मास क्या होता है? द अमाउंट ऑफ क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड इट्स मास. Matter has mass can be proved by a simple experiment. Take a rod and tie 2 inflated balloons on either side of its center and suspend the rod from the center. Rod will be horizontal. Now, when you prick one balloon, mass from balloon will escape and the rod will tilt down towards the inflated balloon. See this diagram. You will understand by this. And next, matter occupies space. All matter occupies space. The amount of space that matter occupies is known as its volume. For example, when we say that a bottle has 10 ml of water, it means the water which is in the water bottle is occupying 10 ml of space. Similarly, when we talk about volume of solid or a gas, we are talking about matter occupying that much of space. Composition of matter. All matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules or atoms. Sometimes atoms cannot exist independently and so they combine with other atoms to form molecules. Atoms and molecules both are very small and cannot be seen by human eye. A molecule of a matter may contain one type of atoms or different types of atoms. For example, a molecule of oxygen is made up of only atoms of oxygen, but a molecule of water contains atoms of both hydrogen and oxygen. States of matter. We have already learned that matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms or molecules. The packing of these particles differs in various materials. In some materials they are closely packed while in others they are loosely packed. Accordingly, the matter is classified as solid, liquid and gas. These are known as states of matter. Hence, we can say that matter exists in 3 states: solids, liquids and gases. These 3 states have different characters. For example, they differ in shape, volume and compressibility. Let us study these properties by taking one example of each state. एम खुद आप पढ़ सकते हो। शेप इसकी होती है कोक, वाटर, हाइड्रोजन. कोक हैज़ फिक्स्ड शेप. इट डज नॉट change its shape unless broken or cut. ये खुद पढ़ो और ये आपने रीडिंग करनी है. Volume. Coke doesn't change its size and volume remains the same unless it is broken. Water. Take certain volume of water, let us say it is 10 ml. Pour it into wide bowl or a wide beaker. You will observe that the volume of water remains the same. Example, 10 ml Volume of liquid does not change even through its shape's change. Hydrogen gas, when a balloon filled with gas is pricked, the gas is released and the gas occupied the entire space in the room. This means that gas can occupy any space that is available to it and volume is not fixed. You can observe that solid and liquid have fixed but gas has no fixed volume. Now we will do compressibility. Coke, if you apply pressure on the Coke, you will observe that it can be compressed. Water, poured water into a bottle, close it with a lid attached to a piston. If you push the piston inside and try to compress it, you will observe that the water cannot be compressed. Hydrogen gas, fill gas in a balloon and try to compress the balloon. You will observe that the gas can be compressed into lesser space. Hence, you observe that solid and liquid cannot be compressed, but gas can be compressed. Characteristics of solids, liquids and gases. States of matter. Solids के पास क्या होता है? Fixed shape and size, cannot flow, rigid and cannot be compressed a lot, definite shape. Examples आप पढ़ सकते हो. Liquid, no fixed shape and takes the shape of the container, can flow from higher to lower level, not rigid and cannot be compressed easily, definite volume. Examples पढ़ लो. Gas, no fixed shape or size, can flow in all directions, not rigid and can be compressed easily, no definite volume. With this, our chapter is complete. Test yourself. Will you do yourself? की टर्म्स भी और ये सारा कुछ आप खुद करोगे. मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको सॉल्व भी करके दिखा दूँगी. इस वीडियो में मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया. ओके बाय.